A newly kickstarted project, Beastgrip Pro and depth of field adapter is a shooting rig for your phone that supports not only 37mm screw-in lenses, but Canon EF mount lenses as well. It's cleverly designed and well thought out, and it promises to be a very useful tool for phonographers, if and when it ships in August. I'm Lori Grunin, and this is the Beastgrip Pro and DOF adapter. This is what the Beastgrip Pro looks like in its fully assembled form. It's got a big grip, adjustable spring-loaded clamp section for phones of most sizes, and multiple standard screw mounting holes. And it'll cost $90. As the name implies, the $150 DOF adapter allows you to add better lenses for more control over background defocus than is possible with these smaller, closer lenses. Now you've seen it assembled, here's how it gets that way. First, you can start with just the grip side. If you want, you can just clamp your phone in it and use it as a better grip for taking photos or videos. This is the mount side. It slides in via the rails. To insert the phone, you just push up and slide in. You have to align it through the lens opening, and then you tighten it in place. Next, you screw in the lenses. This is the 10x close-up lens that it comes with the Beastgrip Pro, and you'll most likely need it at the bottom of your depth of field adapter stack. If you just get the Beastgrip Pro, it comes with several 37mm lenses that you can attach and stack whatever. Next, you put a 10x macro converter that converts the 37mm mount to the 52mm mount. Next comes the focusing screen mechanism. This, to me, is the most difficult part because the focusing screen floats between two different screw mounts, and I find it very tricky to make sure that it's level when you're screwing in all these pieces that may turn a little bit. Next comes the EF mount, and that just screws in also. And finally, the EF lens of your choice. I just happen to have this one sitting around. It's probably a little big if you're going to be shooting handheld, but it's fine if you're on a tripod. So notice what happens if the focusing screen is not level, but also notice that the image is flipped. You will probably need an application that can flip it back the other way, such as Filmic Pro for video, which is what I tested with. You can also mount anything that has a typical cold shoe mount, like an LED light panel or a microphone. Other caveats are that you really have to use a lens faster than f2.8 for optimal effect, and that because you're shooting through multiple lenses and other obstructions, the quality does take a bit of a hit. Overall though, it's a really clever, and though not pretty, it's quite elegantly designed. Here's hoping they make their goal.